Competition in energy storage is no longer just about parameters. Instead, it's about certainty. Certainty in delivery, certainty in operation, and certainty in returns. Renon Power's answer is to turn energy storage into deliverable, operable, auditable, and replicable energy assets.
Hi, I'm Paul Buckwalter. I am a retired U.S. Army Lieutenant Colonel with 26 years of military experience. My experience has taught me to adhere to three principles: quality, customer experience, and reliability. These three things are the baseline standards for our energy storage products.
Renon Power's brand promise is simple: make energy storage dependable. We deliver on that promise with four principles: safety, certainty, scalability, and auditability. Safety is non-negotiable. Certainty is the result. Scalability means it works everywhere, every time. Auditability builds trust that you can prove.
As you may already know, we're building our manufacturing facility in McKinney, Texas, where we're going to have one line dedicated for our residential products and another line dedicated to our commercial products. And what this means to our customers is that they can be rest assured that the material and the labor is coming right from US. So you know it's going to be quality and on time.
Renon's residential products have been optimized for a smooth and seamless installation process. It's built around giving homeowners cost savings and energy resilience when times get tough. We've streamlined our installation, smoothed out our debugging process, and minimized the requirement for ongoing long-term maintenance. All of this is around a single purpose: simple, smooth installation for products that work that you don't have to think about. The MPack 261 AC is our standardized C&I solution. It's optimized for plug-and-play solutions, easy integration into existing setups, and minimal ongoing operations and maintenance. We're turning energy storage into a standardized commercial and industrial component.
At Renon Power, we ensure top-tier customer support and user experience throughout the life of the product. We will not only help you design the system in advance, but we support your project after commissioning is completed as well.
The MPack 261 AS is built around more complex energy systems. Rather than supporting a single site, it's utilized for integrating complex energy systems that coordinate across multiple sites for a unified and singular energy solution.
With our robust product line, we can support just about any installation use case, battery backup, peak shaving, VPP programs. Whatever you need, we have you covered.
Storage and charging are oriented towards fast charging capacity expansion for fleets and industrial parks. Under the condition of grid connection limitation, turn peak power and demand charge into controllable variables. Our 10-foot AC containerized solution, the Smart Matrix, is a 1.67 megawatt-hour BESS, modular up to 5 megawatt-hours, and scalable up to 200 megawatt-hours. It is designed for the rapid implementation of medium to large-scale projects. Its value lies in engineering standardization, clear interfaces, industrialized commissioning rhythm, and high replication efficiency. Our new mobile generator, the X-Gen, is designed for temporary and emergency power use. We emphasize three things: stable power supply, hybridized fuel consumption and noise, and remote monitoring and management. SynaOS is our energy operating system. It transforms the site into an operational asset: unified strategies, unified KPIs, unified reports, and a closed loop formed from alerts to tickets and then to review. The more sites you have in your fleet, the greater the value of the platform.
Our partners are concerned with three main points when it comes to making their battery decisions. The first one is price. The second one is customer experience, pre-sale and post-sale. And the third is quality. Here at Renon, we excel at all three of those.
Hey, I'm Robert with Fibonacci Energy. I used Renon for my home, and I use it for most of my clients because I believe that Renon has the best support when it comes to their customers, and their products are pretty much A1. I haven't really found much out there that's better. We've used a lot of different companies, a lot of different batteries, and this is what we've settled on. It doesn't matter if you're commercial, residential, you want backup, or just load shifting. They can cover all those boxes for you, and if you don't get Renon for your next battery project, you're missing out.
Yo soy Carlos Sánchez de Multi-Battery Forklifts, la gente de Renon, está la gente de Solar, son la gente que nos apoya para poder desarrollar este proyecto y no solamente esto, queremos seguir haciendo otros proyectos más. Multi-Battery apoyando a cada uno de los instaladores y desarrolladores de proyectos para que cada sitio pueda tener un inversor solar y una batería Renon.
I'm James Carmichael. I'm with Photon Electric out of Millersburg, Indiana. I really appreciate the integration that we've had with Renon Power USA on helping us achieve our goals. Appreciate everything from Renon USA and go Photon Electric here in Millersburg, Indiana for our resilient programs that we have.
Hi, it's Dave Medinas from Stack Rack Battery, and one of the reasons that we went with this technology and Renon is that the system becomes very integrated. So there's not a lot of provisioning and commissioning when normally you have to assemble the batteries on site. So that's a big advantage, and they've been very thoughtful in all the components and everything that goes into this battery to make it easier for the customer to start it up.
Saludos, mi nombre es Omar Martínez de acá de Puerto Rico, presentando que terminamos este proyecto gracias a la gente de Solar, las baterías Renon, que nos dieron la oportunidad de poder ser el instalador de su equipo aquí en este proyecto. Todo un equipo muy simple, amigable y de verdad que muy bueno para trabajar, recomendado 100%.
We're glad to have you here and we're glad to collaborate with you, Renon Power, an amazing brand of batteries. So yeah, thank you for being here.
The partnership with Renon has been amazing. It's been amazing, the support, the quality of the product, how it's built, the interface, the simplicity of installation, how these ones can be stacked. I mean, the reason why we chose this model in particular was because it's easy to stack. We started with 40 kilowatt hours, but if my mother-in-law keeps coming, we're gonna need more power. And it's very fast. You just remove the brain and put more batteries on top, and you can double the capacity in an hour. So that was critical, and it's gonna be critical for many of our clients as they expand their demands.
Renon Power combines purpose-built hardware, the Sino OS software platform, and our engineered delivery system to turn energy storage into a true energy asset, operable, auditable, and scalable by design. Own your energy today with Renon Power.